Hi, my name is Jason Miller, and I'm the founder of Storm Stick Decon. Firefighters know that they're at a much higher risk of cancer than the general population. We also know that the reason for that risk is because of the toxins that we take in during the course of our work. Coming out of a fire hazard area, our gear is saturated in carcinogenic toxins, and that's the most intense and first point of exposure for us. Studies have shown that a detergent-based wet rinse can remove an average of 85% of the most dangerous toxins, hydrocarbons, VOCs, PAHs, and heavy metals. The problem is, most all of us also understand that on-scene process is complex, it's inconsistent, and it's difficult. It takes a lot of time. That's why we designed the Storm Stick Decon System. We wanted to take that complex and inconsistent process, make it incredibly easy, simple to use, take all of the inconsistencies out of it, and make sure that it's incredibly effective. I feel like we've done that, and so I want to show you the parts of the Storm Stick Decon System and then introduce you to how we roll through the operation. The Storm Stick Decon System consists of 4 main components: the grab handle bracket, the discharge assembly, the Storm Stick delivery device, and the proportioning system. To install the Storm Stick Decon System, we'll start with a grab handle bracket. We need to find a grab handle bar within about 6 feet of your chosen discharge. To install the bracket, orient the bracket with the keyhole to the top. Simply wrap the clamps around your grab bar and thumb tighten your thumb screws in place. We want to consider keeping the top of the bracket at about 6 feet so that when the Storm Stick system is in place, it's the right height for all firefighters to go through. Next, we'll install the discharge assembly. Find the discharge that you've chosen. Remove the cap. Place your discharge assembly hand tight and make sure that the valve is in the off position. Your driver operator can now send water to this discharge to prepare for operation. To install the Storm Stick delivery device, simply align the Storm Stick delivery device with your bracket and let it fall right into place. The elbow on the back of the Storm Stick delivery device should rest easily in the keyhole of your bracket. The Storm Stick proportioning system utilizes our detergent activators to automatically proportion the perfect amount of detergent solution through the Storm Stick system. In order to prepare this, we'll simply unscrew the cap to the proportioning system, slide a detergent activator inside, and screw the cap back in place. No need to remove the film from the outside of the detergent activators, as they'll dissolve immediately when water touches them. Now take the male end of the proportioning system, slide it into the female end of our discharge assembly, and the Storm Stick Decon System is ready for operation. Now that the Storm Stick Decon System is set up, let's walk you through how it works.
With all PPE still in place, grab the burst fiber brush and move the valve handle to the on position. Stand facing the Storm Stick Decon System and dip forward to rinse the helmet. While making a 360-degree rotation, use the brush to agitate any reachable area. Once back to the starting position, dip forward for a final rinse and then move out of the Storm Stick Decon zone. The regulator and PPE may now be removed per department guidelines. For 2-member operation, the second member will stand to the side of the Storm Stick Decon zone to minimize overspray. As the first firefighter rotates in the decon zone, the second firefighter will use a burst fiber brush to agitate any areas unreachable by the first firefighter. Once completed, switch positions and repeat the process. Once both firefighters have finished, they may move out of the decon zone and remove the regulator and PPE per department guidelines.